Hello guys, this is just a review video of my all new ALPINESTARS GP Plus R V3 air jacket. This is the ALPINESTARS latest production, latest generation with latest generation armors. Nucleon Flex Plus extremely flexible armor, CE certified level 1. As you can see here, this is the armor. This is a shoulder armor of ALPINESTARS. It is very soft, very lightweight, full flexible, and I'm pretty sure that it is much comfortable as well during the rides while wearing the jacket in hot summers, winters, whatever. As we can see here, it is beautifully designed and made to resist the high force impacts. So guys, this is the all new generation Nucleon Flex Plus armor. So let's talk about the other features of this jacket. As we can see here, the fabric, it is very nice material, soft material. It is well designed, the camouflage. Also here, as we can see on the shoulder portions. On the shoulder portions, they have given the external hard armors. This is a hard TPUs kind of material which gives additional protection while the impact. So as we can see here, this is the hard armor. It is quite hard. Plus we have this soft armor inside. So we have a dual protection inside. As well as we can see here, they have certified the CE certified level 1. They have mentioned as Nucleon Flex technology. It is lightweight. Also it is air breathability. It is designed and developed in Italy. So the material is quite good. As we can see here, the construction of the air ventilated construction of the jacket. We can see here the abrasion resistant mesh outer shell, the airflow circle they have designed, the inner layer and the waterproof liner. So guys, ये jacket में waterproof liner नहीं आता है. So in case if anyone needs the waterproof liner, they need to purchase it separately from the ALPINESTARS India. Now let's have an inside look of the jacket. As you can see here, there's a kind of foam inside. This is just for the illustration purpose. I have personally inserted a foam inside. Actually, as we all know, ALPINESTARS jackets only comes with the 2 shoulder armors and 2 elbow armors. The back protector and the chest protector needs to be purchased separately. So this is just for a video recording. I have inserted a foam which shows as an illustration that there is a space of this shape for the back protector. Also there are 2 pockets given on the left side and the right side to keep our valuable things like ID cards, money or wallet or whatever. Also there is a waterproof compartment here. Inside there is a waterproof pouch inside this chain which shows a waterproof compartment to save our valuables from the water during the monsoon season. This is the back side of the jacket. Beautifully designed with a combination of black with white ALPINESTARS, camouflage design, and this is actually the fluorescent red. As we can see in the video, it looks like orange, but due to the camera pixels and the resolution, it looks like, and the lighting conditions, it looks like the fluorescent orange, but actually it is fluorescent red. It looks pretty beautiful. So guys, let's come to the final point, price factor. Now, I would like you all to guess the price of this jacket considering the armors, considering the construction of this jacket, considering the material, the features they have given, the external armors, the latest tech armors and the design and everything. So I would like to reveal the price of the jacket now. So guys, this jacket is particularly TGP Plus R V3 Air Jacket. It is a medium sized jacket. It comes in a color combination of black camouflage and a red fluorescent. As I said earlier, this looks like an orange, but it is red fluorescent. This is an Alpine Star sticker which comes along with the jacket. This is a booklet. And now the price. The price of this jacket is 24,999 and it is imported by Planet DSG India. This price is actually costlier. It is a bit costly, we all can understand that, but considering the construction and the design and everything, it is value for money. I truly appreciate what this jacket is, what the construction, the quality, fabric material and the armor, the latest technology, everything considering accordingly, the price is value for money. So guys, this was my short review of the jacket. Hope you liked my video.